Each breath a promise, a treasure, a pearl. Your body whispers, it knows the way. A temple in motion, night and day. Commanding wellness, it's in your hands. A symphony of heartbeats, life expands. Yeah, speak to your body, tell it to heal. The power's within you. It's real, so real. Feed it kindness, water the soul. Stretch out the stiffness, make yourself whole. Your cells are listening, every word. The rhythm of health, a song to be heard. Whisper to your marrow, hum to your veins, the tune of balance, the end of pains. Commanding wellness, it's in your hands. A symphony of heartbeats, life expands. Oh, speak to your body, tell it to heal. The power's within you. It's real, so real, so real. You are the healer, the keeper, the guide. A cosmic connection deep inside. Let the baseline of life move through your core, commanding good health and so much more. Each breath a promise, a treasure, a pearl. Your body whispers, it knows the way. A temple in motion, night and day. Commanding wellness, it's in your hands. A symphony of heartbeats, life expands. Speak to your body, tell it to heal. The power's within you, it's real, so real. Feed it.